Maharashtra politics is set for a major shift on January 31st, with Sunetra Pawar likely to be sworn in as the new Deputy Chief Minister following the sudden death of senior Nationalist Congress Party leader Ajit Pawar in a tragic plane crash. Sunetra Pawar, Ajit Pawar's wife and a sitting Rajya Sabha MP, is expected to become the first woman Deputy Chief Minister of the state. The NCP has called a legislature party meeting at 2 pm on January 31st to elect a new leader in place of Pawar. A brief swearing-in ceremony is expected later in the day. At 62, Sunetra Pawar is not a member of either house of the Maharashtra legislature. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said the BJP, which leads the ruling Mahayuti alliance, would support whatever decision is taken by Ajit Pawar's family and the NCP. Meanwhile, NCP SP chief Sharad Pawar said discussions were underway about reuniting the two factions of the party, with talks scheduled for February 12th. He added that he was not aware of any move to appoint Sunetra Pawar as Deputy Chief Minister and said he was not part of those discussions.